Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Sahu from Pace Academy. Today we are going to discuss in world geography, Africa continent. There are 54 countries in Africa continent. We will design all 54 countries of Africa continent in such a way that which country touches which other countries or not. Right now I am going to draw all 54 countries of Africa continent. Look at here. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. We are going to discuss all 54 countries of Africa continent. I have drawn here Africa continent. Africa continent. In Africa continent, there are 54 countries. We will design all 54 countries in such a way that which country touches which other countries or not. Look at here. This is Africa continent. First of all, draw a horizontal line like this. Draw a perpendicular line. This section will be divided into two parts. The upper portion, this is a country, Morocco. This is Morocco. This is Morocco. This is Morocco. This is Western Sahara. This is Western Sahara. This is Western Sahara. This is Western Sahara. Morocco is a country, and below the Morocco, this is Western Sahara. At present, Western Sahara is not a country. Western Sahara is a disputed territory. Most of the area is occupied by Morocco. Most of the area of Western Sahara is occupied by Morocco. This is Morocco and this is Western Sahara. At present, Western Sahara is disputed territory. 80% of the area of Western Sahara is occupied by Morocco. Here is a country. This is Algeria. This is Algeria. Here is a country. This is Libya. This is Libya. And this is Egypt. This is Egypt. The ancient name of Egypt is Misr. The ancient name of Egypt is Misr. This is Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria, Libya, Egypt. In between Algeria and Libya, here is a country. This is Tunisia. This is Tunisia. This is Tunisia. Here we are going to discuss all 54 countries of Africa continent. We have discussed here Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria. Western Sahara is a disputed territory. 80% of the area of Western Sahara is occupied by Morocco. Algeria, this is Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. I am drawing a horizontal line like this, in which I am going to draw Look at here. This is a country that is known as Mauritania. This is Mauritania. This is Mauritania. Mauritania. This is Mauritania. Mauritania. Here is a country Mauritania. This is a country Senegal. This is Senegal. In between Senegal, here is a country. This is Gambia. This is Gambia. This is Gambia. It means Gambia is surrounded by third part of the portion of Gambia is surrounded by Senegal. 3 parts of Gambia is surrounded by Senegal. And here is Atlantic Ocean. This is Mauritania, Senegal, Gambia. 3 of the portion of Gambia is surrounded by Senegal and 1 portion at the side of Atlantic Ocean of Gambia. Look at here. This is a country. This is known as Mali. This is Mali. This is Mali. This is a country. This is known as Niger. Niger. This is a country of Africa. This is Chad. And this is Sudan. This is Sudan. Here we have discussed Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, or you can say Misr, Mauritania, Senegal, Gambia, Mali, Niger, Chad and Sudan. Here is a country. This is Djibouti. 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 Djibouti is surrounded by a country. This is Eritrea, or you can say Eritrea. This is Eritrea. Eritrea is surrounded by Sudan and Djibouti is surrounded by Eritrea. This is Djibouti, this is Eritrea, and this whole portion is known as Sudan. It means Djibouti is surrounded by Eritrea and Eritrea is surrounded by Sudan. This is Red Sea. Here is a Red Sea. Look at here. Below the Mali, here is a country. Below the Niger, here is a country. Below the Chad, here is a country. Look at here. Below the Chad, here is a country. This is C for Chad and this is C for Cameroon. This is C for Cameroon. This is a country Chad. Below Chad, here is a country. This is known as Cameroon. C for Chad, C for Cameroon. Look at here. This is Niger. Below Niger, here is a country Benin. This is Benin. Below Niger, this is a country Benin. Below Mali, here is a country Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire. Below Mali, here is a country Cote d'Ivoire. Below Niger, here is a country Benin. Below Chad, here is a country Cameroon. In between Benin and Cameroon, here is a country Nigeria. This is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. In between Benin and Cameroon, here is a country Nigeria. This is Nigeria. This is known as Nigeria. Look at here. In between Benin and Cameroon, here is a country Nigeria. It means Nigeria touches here Benin Niger, Chad and Cameroon. In between Mali, in between Cote d'Ivoire, below Mali and in between Cote d'Ivoire and Benin, here is a country. This is Burkina Faso. This is B for Burkina Faso. This is B for Burkina Faso. This is B for Burkina Faso. Here is a country, Burkina Faso. Below Burkina Faso, there are two countries. This one first, this one second. This is G for Ghana. This is G for Ghana. And this is T for Togo. This is T for Togo. In between Cote d'Ivoire and Benin, here is a country. That one is known as Burkina Faso. G for Ghana, T for Togo. Look at here. There are two countries. There are two countries. There are two countries. This is the first one. This is the second one. This country is known as. This country is known as S for Sierra Leone. S for Sierra Leone. And this country is known as L for Liberia. L for Liberia. This is L for Liberia, S for Sierra Leone. This country is known as Guinea. This country is known as Guinea. This country is known as Guinea. In between Guinea and Senegal, here is a country. This is known as Guinea-Bissau. This is known as Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau. Here is an island country of Africa continent. Here is an island country of Africa continent. This is known as Cape Verde. This is known as Cape Verde. This is known as Cape Verde. Here we have discussed lots of country of Africa continent. Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt or Misr, Mauritania, Senegal, Gambia, Cape Verde, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Djibouti, Eritrea. Here is Guinea-Bissau, Guinea. This is S for Sierra Leone, L for Liberia. This is Cote d'Ivoire. This is Cote d'Ivoire. B for Burkina Faso, G for Ghana, T for Togo. This is Benin. This is Nigeria, and this is Cameroon. Look at here. Look at here. After this, we are going to draw 4 continuous countries. This one first, this one second, third and fourth. Look at here. This country is known as CAR. This country is known as CAR. This country is known as CAR. The full form of CAR is C. C for Central African Republic. CAR. CAR. CAR means Central African Republic. CAR means Central African Republic. Central African Republic. Here is a country that is known as CAR. The full form of CAR is Central African Republic. This country is known as South Sudan. This is South Sudan. Central African Republic, and this one is known as South Sudan. South Sudan. Look at here. Central African Republic, South Sudan. This is Ethiopia. Ethiopia. This country is known as Ethiopia. And this is Somalia. This is Somalia. Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia. This is Ethiopia, and this one is known as Somalia. Ethiopia, Somalia. Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia. Ethiopia, Somalia. Look at here. I am drawing a vertical line from CAR, Central African Republic. I am going to draw a horizontal line like this. A horizontal line like this. Look at here. Drawing a perpendicular or vertical line like this. This country is known as RC. This country is known as DRC. DRC. RC. RC means Republic of Congo. Republic Congo, or you can say the Republic of Congo. This is Republic of Congo. And DRC means Democratic Republic Congo or Republic of Congo. This one is known as Republic of Congo. This one is known as DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. This is RC, this is DRC. Here is a country. Here is a country. This is known as Gabon. This is known as Gabon. Gabon is surrounded by a country. This is known as Equatorial. This country is known as Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea. It means this is a country, Gabon. Gabon is surrounded by Equatorial Guinea, and Equatorial Guinea is surrounded by RC. RC means Republic of Congo. And here is a country. This one is known as DRC. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. Here we have discussed lots of the country of Africa continent. Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt or Misr, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Senegal, Gambia, Cape Verde, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone, Liberia. This is Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Togo. This is Benin, Nigeria. This is Cameroon. CAR means Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia. This is RC. RC means Republic of Congo. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. This is Equatorial Guinea, and this one is known as Gabon. Here is an island country. Here is an island country of Africa continent. This country is known as this island country is known as this is also island country. This island country is known as Sao Tome Principe. This is known as Sao Tome Principe. This island country is known as Sao Tome Principe. This island country is known as Cape Verde. Look at here. This is RC. This is DRC. This is RC. This is DRC. Here is a country. Look at here. I am going to draw. Here is a country. Here is a country. This country is known as U for Uganda. This is Uganda. This is Uganda, and this country is known as Kenya. This country is known as Kenya. Below the Uganda, there are two continuous countries. This country is known as Rwanda. This country is known as Rwanda, and this country is known as Burundi. Burundi. This is known as Burundi. This whole portion is known as a country. This is Tanzania. This is Tanzania. This is Tanzania. Look at here. Here, the neighbor country of Burundi is DRC, Tanzania, and Rwanda. The neighbor country of Rwanda is DRC, Burundi, Tanzania, and only Uganda. The neighbor country of Kenya is Somalia, Ethiopia, and here South Sudan, Uganda, and Tanzania. The neighbor country of Somalia is Djibouti, Ethiopia, and Kenya. The neighbor country of Djibouti is Eritrea. This is Ethiopia and Somalia. The neighbor country of Eritrea is Sudan, Ethiopia, and Djibouti. You can find out all the neighbor country of any of country. Look at here. Look at here. Here I am drawing a country. This country is known as, this is Mozambique. This country is known as Mozambique. Mozambique. This country is known as Mozambique. This country is known as Mozambique. This country is known as Mozambique. Mozambique is a African country at the South Africa. This country is known as Mozambique. This is Mozambique. Here is a country. This is Malawi. This is Malawi. This is Malawi. Here I am going to draw a horizontal line like this. Here is a country A for Angola. This is a country A for Angola. This is a country A for Angola. This is a country A for Angola. And this is a country. This is Zambia. This is Zambia. Angola and Zambia. Angola and Zambia. Angola and Zambia. Below the Zambia and below the Angola, there are three countries like this. There are three countries. There are three countries. This is N for Namibia. This is B for Botswana, and this is Z for Zimbabwe. This is country N for Namibia. This is Namibia. This is B for Botswana. This is Botswana. And this is Z for Zimbabwe. This is Zimbabwe. This is Zimbabwe. This is Namibia. This is Zambia. And this is Gambia. Look at here. This is Namibia, Zambia, and this one is Gambia. This is Botswana and this is Zimbabwe. Look at here. This is South Africa. This is South Africa. This is South Africa. This is South Africa. Here is a country in between South Africa. Here is a country in between South Africa, or you can say a country which is surrounded by South Africa. This country is known as Lesotho. Lesotho. This is a country, Lesotho. Lesotho is a country which is surrounded by South Africa. Lesotho is a country which is surrounded by South Africa. Here is a country in between South Africa and Mozambique. Here is a country which is in between South Africa and Mozambique. This is in between. This is a country which is in between South Africa and Mozambique. This is Eswatini. This is Eswatini. This is Eswatini. This is Eswatini. Lesotho is a country which is surrounded by South Africa. This is Eswatini. Eswatini is in between Mozambique and South Africa. Look at here. Here is an island country of Africa continent. This is an island country of Africa continent. This is known as Madagascar. 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 Here is an island country of Africa continent. This is known as Mauritius. This is known as Mauritius. This is known as Mauritius. Madagascar, Mauritius. Here is an island country of Africa continent. This is known as Comoros. 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 Here is an island country. This is known as Comoros. Comoros. Here is also an island country. Here is an island country of Africa continent. This is known as Seychelles. 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 Look at here. Here I have drawn the island countries of Africa continent. Seychelles. This is Seychelles. This is known as Comoros. This is known as Madagascar. This is known as Mauritius. This is known as Sao Tome Principe, and this is known as Cape Verde. These are the island countries of Africa continent. Here we have discussed all 54 countries of Africa continent. We will revise it. This one is Morocco, Western Sahara, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, or you can say Misr. This is Mauritania, Senegal, Gambia, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti. This one is Cape Verde. This one is Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia. This one is Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Cameroon, CAR for Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia. This one is RC, Republic of Congo, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. This one is Gabon. Gabon is surrounded by Equatorial Guinea, and Equatorial Guinea is surrounded by RC. RC means Republic of Congo. This one is the island country, the island country is Sao Tome Principe. This island country is Sao Tome Principe. Here is Uganda, Kenya. This is Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, Angola, Zambia. This is Malawi, Mozambique. This is Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, South Africa. This is Lesotho. Lesotho is a country which is surrounded by South Africa. In between South Africa and Mozambique, here is a country, Eswatini. These are the island countries of Africa continent. Seychelles, Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius. Look at here. This is the part of Egypt. This is the part of Egypt. Here is Israel. Israel is a country of, here is Israel. Israel is a country of Asia continent. There are two portions. This is a country. This is known as Jordan. Here we are going to draw the Asian countries. Jordan is an Asian country. This is Israel. 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 This is Palestine. This is Palestine, or you can say Philistine. The ancient name of Palestine is Philistine. We have discussed already the Asia continent. This is Jordan, this is Israel, this is Palestine. In between Israel and Jordan, here is a country Palestine. This is Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. This is Gaza Strip. This is Gaza Strip. This is Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. It means Palestine is divided into two parts. First is Gaza Strip and this one is Palestine. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. Look at here. Gaza Strip touches the Egypt. At the same time, this is Israel. Israel is also touching the Egypt. It means Egypt is touched by Gaza Strip, means Palestine, and Israel. It means Gaza Strip means Palestine and Israel are the neighbor countries of Egypt. The Asian countries, that one is Palestine and Israel, are the neighbor countries of Egypt. Look at here. Look at here. And we can also draw, this is Syria. This is Syria. This is Syria. This one is known as Syria. This one is known as Syria. And here is, we can draw, and here we can draw. This is the upper portion. This upper portion is known as, this upper portion is known as Turkey. Look at here. I am going to draw here the lower portion of Europe continent. This is Europe continent. This is Europe continent. These are the part of Asia continent. Look at here. Here is a country. This is known as Portugal. Portugal is a country of Europe. This is Portugal. This is Portugal. Portugal is a country of Europe. This is Spain. This is Spain. Look at here. Below the Europe continent and above the Africa continent, this portion is a water space, and this water space is a part of Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. In this whole portion, this whole water space is known as Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. This whole water space is known as Atlantic Ocean. It means this water space is a part of Atlantic Ocean, and this water space, this sea is known as Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. This whole water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. Look at here. Above the Africa, it means this is Morocco, and below the Europe, it means this is Spain. In between Spain and country of Africa, that is Morocco, here is a strait. A strait means which connects to water spaces and disconnects to land spaces. Here is a strait, and this strait is known as Gibraltar Strait. This is known as Gibraltar Strait. This is known as Gibraltar Strait. It means Gibraltar Strait connects Mediterranean Sea, this whole portion is a water space, and this water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. It means Gibraltar Strait connects Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean, and Gibraltar Strait disconnect Morocco with Spain. It means Africa continent with Europe continent. Look at here. This is Egypt, and here is look at here. Here is, there are two countries. This is Oman, country of Asia, and this is Yemen, country of Asia. Look at here. This is Somalia. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. And this is Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. This is known as Saudi Arabia. Below the Saudi Arabia, there are two countries. First is Yemen, second is Oman. This is Red Sea. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. This whole water space is known as Red Sea. This is known as Red Sea. It means Red Sea is surrounded by Israel. This is Israel, Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea. This is Djibouti. This is Somalia, Yemen, and Saudi Arabia, and some portion of this portion of Jordan. Red Sea is surrounded by, first, this one is Egypt, first, this one is Sudan, second, third one is Eritrea, fourth one is Djibouti, fifth one is Somalia, sixth one is Yemen, seventh one is Saudi Arabia, eighth one is Jordan, and ninth one is, this is Israel. It means Red Sea is surrounded by 9 countries. Red Sea is surrounded by 9 countries, or you can say Red Sea touches 9 countries. Look at here. This is Mediterranean Sea. This whole water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea is a part of Atlantic Ocean, but here is Indian Ocean. Here is Indian Ocean. Here is Indian Ocean. Here is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And this portion of sea, this portion of water space, that is the portion of Indian Ocean. This portion is known as Arabic Sea. This is known as Arabian Sea. This is known as Arabian Sea. It means Arabian Sea is a part of, this is Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. This whole portion, water space is known as Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. And this is Red Sea. This is Red Sea. This portion of water space, this portion of water space, which is also part of Indian Ocean, this is known as Gulf of Aden. This is known as Gulf of Aden. This is known as Gulf of Aden. Commonly, Gulf of Aden, Arabian Sea, and Red Sea. Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and Arabian Sea. These whole water spaces are the part of Indian Ocean. It means Red Sea is a part of Indian Ocean, and Mediterranean Sea is a part of Atlantic Ocean. Look at here. This is Red Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. In between Egypt, a canal had been developed. Look at here. In between Egypt, a canal had been developed by British government and the French government. This is a canal. This canal is known as Suez Canal. This canal is known as Suez Canal. It means Suez Canal is a part of Egypt. Suez Canal is a part of Egypt. Suez Canal had been built in between Egypt. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea, and Suez Canal had been built in Egypt. This is Suez Canal. It means Suez Canal is inside Egypt. This is part of Egypt. Suez Canal. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. It is used for trade purpose. Suez Canal is used for trade purpose. This is Suez Canal. Suez Canal is in Egypt, which connect Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. This is Red Sea. This is Red Sea, and this is Mediterranean Sea. Here we have discussed all 54 countries of Africa continent. Here we have discussed all 54 countries of Africa continent. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.